Let's see how to solve this question. In Jubilee Hills, there are 32,000 residents. Of the total residents, 65% are male and 20% of the male residents are celebrities. If 35% of the residents are celebrities, how many non-celebrity females are residents of Jubilee Hills? So the total number of residents is given to be 3,200. Out of this, we are given that 65% are male. So the number of female residents can be calculated as 35%. Again, we are also given that out of the male residents, 20% of them are celebrities. So non-celeb male can be calculated as 80%. Now we are also given that 35% of the total residents are celebrities. So the non-celeb residents are 65%. So let us first calculate the male population in this Jubilee Hills. That can be calculated as 32,000 into 65 by 100. This is nothing but 65 into 32, which is 2 5 are 10, 2 6 are 12 plus 1 13, 3 5 are 15, 3 6 are 18 plus 1 19, which is equal to 20800. So the total number of male residents in this colony is 20800, and out of which we are given 20% are celebs. So the celeb population can be calculated as 20 by 100 into 20800, which is nothing but 4160. So the non-celeb population can be calculated as 20800 minus 4060, which is equal to 16640. And the female population can be calculated as total population subtracting the male population from the total population, we get the female population, which is nothing but 11200. Again, we are also given that 35% of the total population are celebs. We already calculated the 35% of 3200 as 11200. So this value will also be 11200. Now we already know that the number of male celebs in the population is 4160 and the total celeb population is given to be 11200. So female celeb population can be calculated as 11200 minus 4160, which is equal to 7040. Now that we have calculated the female celeb population, we can calculate the non-celeb female population as 11200 minus 7040, which is nothing but 4160. So the question asked is to calculate the non-celebrity females that are residents of Jubilee Hills, and we calculated that value to be 4160. So the correct answer is option E.